Hi everyone, it's me. I'm back, and we'll just get them matched straight a minute. Welcome back everybody. I've got my little shipment come through from YourCreativeStudio. I had to look it up to find out what the name was. I saw it on Tonya, which is Tatty Treasures, here on YouTube. She got the July one, and also then I saw it on Dee's Crafty Place on YouTube. Both those ladies, I'll put their information down in the description box, so I'm just going to make sure I do that. So I'm going to write it down: Tatty Treasures and Dee's Crafty Place. I'll leave a link to the website as well, which is Your Creative. So these are links. Just write that down so I don't forget. Right, so this is the box for August. I don't know what's in it. I've snipped it and got it open. I did the 4, so I paid for, if you can buy just one for the month, whatever month you want. I don't know, I'm rambling now, I'm talking garbage. Anyway, I did the 4 months, so I've got August, September, October, November, December. No, August, September, October, November. So I've got up to November I've paid for in advance, so it just gets shipped out to you, because it was you got a discount if you did it like that. So YourCreativeStudio, ta-da! It's lovely. Look how beautifully it's wrapped, and there's a beautiful card with a little bunny rabbit. Hang on. No, it's not, it's a squirrel, even a little squirrel. So this is going into autumn. It says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy our August collection from YourCreativeStudio. So yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? So I don't know whether I should zoom this in so you could see it better. I'll try it, see how we get on. I'm just going to zoom it in. Is that better? Yeah, that's better, isn't it? So there's a little squirrel. So I think it's because we're going into autumn now with August, aren't we? So this is it's all beautifully wrapped, and I'm scared now just in case. I don't want. I'm going to leave it in the box a minute. I don't want to take it out just because it will all fall out. So it's beautiful, this paper, absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to keep the paper and see what we've got inside. Let's just fold this back like so. So the first thing I can see is I think this is some little washi tape, and it's got squirrels on it. So this would be perfect for winter. No, it's not washi. I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. Let's see what these are. Oh, the little embellishments. I don't know if they're stickers or not. Might be stickers. I think they are. So you've got 2 that are in the North Pole. Right, let's put this to one side, and then we can showcase this. I'll get a piece of paper, put it on so you can see it. There's a piece of paper. So first thing we've got is lots of these stickers. Oh, little squirrels, a hare, an owl. Perfect. North Pole. Oh, they're lovely. There's a little building. So it looks like a castle. Looks like a castle. There is little ephemera. Shall I see if these are stickers? See if they're stickers. I think they are stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. Look at that. Stickers. Cool. So you've got little piece of ephemera. Got 2 of those. There's some more there, which is an advertisement. There's some berries. There is North Pole, December the 23rd. Oh, cool. Little piece of ephemera and advertising. There's a book. Get 2 of those. There's a couple of cottages and some grass. There's another little squirrel nutcase. I think you get 2 of those as well, so you get 2 of everything. There's some more here. Hang on. Bear with me a minute. Right, sorry about that. Where was I? Sorry, I had a phone call and it sort of threw me a bit. So what I've done while I was talking on the phone is I've spread all these stickers out. So they're absolutely beautiful. There are some that are twos. I think they're all, yeah, you've got two of everything. So we've got a beautiful array. We've got the Eiffel Tower, we've got birdies, squirrels, typewriters. Yeah, it's gorgeous. So I'm just going to leave it at that so you can just have a look at it, and I'll move on to the next thing. So where should I put these? I'm going to cough now, they're all going to go flying, aren't they? I'll leave them there. Right, okay. Next thing in the box. Let's go with this. It says lace. Oh, that's lovely. It's some of that plastic, I think they're called rub-ons, aren't they? Are they rub-ons? Yeah, in beautiful lace. So you've got quite a big piece of that. So I like that. And it comes in a beautiful box. It says lace. But I think they are rub-ons. I've never used rub-ons, and I'm quite happy to try because I've never really had any. So that's a good one, isn't it? So there we are, the little lace scroll. There is a material paper of retro page antique bookstore. Let's have a look, see what's in here. So it's like I think it's like a paper pad. So let's have a look. Yes. Oh, it's lovely. It says the wind in a frolic. Oh, it's papers. Oh, isn't that lovely? Right, this is all autumn. This is all going to be great for botanicals, and let's move this again. It's going to be great for botanicals. There's two of those, the lighter ones. Then there's them, and then they go darker. Barefoot Days. This is like little poems. Beautiful. 3 of those. Then we have Barefoot Days in the darker colour. And then, oh, these are beautiful. They're like little things that you'd find in a magazine, or lovely paper. Little verses for very little people. And then there we've got them in a darker colour again. And then we have The Sad Heart of the Little Trot. It's a story. I think it's like out of a magazine or a book. And you get 3 darker ones. Cinderella and the oh, this is lovely. Or the glass slipper. Gorgeous. Love it. And then you get them in the darker colour as well. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with this. This is going to be great. So there's the flower feathers and the wayside. This is going to be great. Just turn that over. And that's in a light colour, and then in the dark colour. And then there's Dreamland, rest, rest, a perfect rest, shed over brow and breast. Her face is towards the west, the purple land. She cannot see the grain, ripening on hill and plain. It's a little poems that is. And there's fairies, I think they're fairies. And then there's Beauty and the Beast. Till as old as time. I love that song. Spring Magic. So I'm seeing like woodland fairy theme here. Spring Magic. And then there's Water Lilies. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, what a lovely collection. Water Lilies. So yeah, those are nice. Nice. Love them. Love. Those are gorgeous. Love them. So the next thing, let's put this back in here so it's all together. So they're just, it says Antique Bookstore, material paper of retro page. Antique Bookstore. So I love those. They're lovely. Like them. Nice. You can tell I like them, can't you? So now we've got, I don't know. I'm not sure what we've got here. I'm now gonna find out. This is, oh, some washi. Oh, that's nice. That's super nice. I can find the end. I don't know where the end is, but anyway, it's that pattern there. See it? Isn't that lovely? Isn't that pretty? Love that. That's really nice. Then we have this, which is Your Creative Studio, and some little labels there. I think they're labels, and they're all the same, and they've got squirrels. I'll show you. I've got to move that out of the way. These plastic bags. They're all the same. There's lots of them. So they're like little labels, or you could use them, I suppose, for embellishments. Put on a page, little nut, squirrel nutkin, and some little mushrooms, and yeah, love those. Those are gorgeous. Next thing is this, which is, oh, a stamp. Ooh, stamp. How exciting. See if I can save the envelope. Right, so we've got a stamp here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a little, I think it's a squirrel, or is it, yeah, it's a squirrel. It's hard to see, and I'll turn it over, maybe you can see it better. I don't know about their stamps, I've not tried them yet, but that is lovely. So you get stamp. There's another stamp. Oh, exciting, this is exciting. Let's see what's in this one. This one is, oh, another squirrel. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the fluffy tail. Look at that. Can you see it? It's gorgeous. Love that as well. Those are really nice. There is some stickers, which are all squirrels, and these stickers, or they rub-ons? I'm not sure what they are. I think they're stickers. Yeah, they're stickers. See-through stickers. So it's all acorns and squirrels. So I can see what the theme is. Then we have a paper, I think this is a paper pad, diddy one. How cute is that? Oh, it's tickets, a little book of tickets, look at that. Love them. Oh, I love them. They're gorgeous. This is well worth it, well worth the money, I tell you. There's a box here, I don't know what's in here. I need to open it, so I need my pointy thing, whatever that is. What have I done with it? There's my pointy thing. Loads of fun, loads of fun. Thing is that you can't buy things like, you can't put kits together like this yourself, because all your bits are all over the place. So at least you've got a theme now that you can run off of. And these are little, it says vintage tags. Let's have a look. Little diddy tags. Aren't they cute? Mushrooms, butterflies, which are one of my favourites. Roses, which I love. Mushrooms again, toadstools. Oh, these are gorgeous little tags. Aren't they cute? Oh, look at that. There's loads of them. Show you. They're like thin chipboard, I would say. More like thick card, to be fair. And then you've got these, which are all in the craft paper, and they are absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. I'm not going to go through every single one, but you'll see me using them. Aren't they beautiful? Love those. They're gorgeous. Oh, I'm excited. So excited. This is a box of tags, it says. So that's them, vintage tags. Then we have a, oh, look at this. Another lot of lovely stuff. This is really nice, this is. Then we have a postcard, and that's just the backing, but you could use that, I suppose. And then you've got all these gorgeous stamps. So they are we've got a, what's that, a stork, a flamingo? I think it's a flamingo. These are all stamps. Can you see them? Stag. I won't show you every single thing because obviously if you want it yourself then it's going to be fun for you too. But there's a whole pack of stamps there. Love those. I'm going to put that there like that. And there's more. There's a little pad. Vintage notepad it says. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute are they? Little squirrels. They're all the same, I think. Yeah, looks like they're all the same. Oh no, there's a different one there. There's that one. There's that one. They're good colours. And then there's that one. So there's 3 different types. Love those. Gorgeous. And then we have in the very bottom, looks like some handmade paper or tissue or something. It's tissue, I think. So we've got some tissue. Lovely for backing that, isn't that? So it's just like paper, but it's all the little flecks in it, so it's like handmade paper, not handmade tissue. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in there. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. I mean, what can I say? It's an absolute, it's a treasure trove. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to come back and do some bits with it. So thank you all for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon, folks. Thank you, everyone. Love you lots. Bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.